If you use data tables, be careful if you copy paste. So here's a data table. If you look in any one of the cells, you'll see it's got a formula in it. If you copy that table and I paste it, when you look in the formulas, you'll see the formulas have disappeared. You've effectively done a copy paste as values. I'm just going to undo. You can move it. So if I highlight it again, this time I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to say cut. When I paste it here, you'll see the formulas maintained. I'm just going to undo again. If you do need to do a copy paste, what we recommend, just to get all the formatting etc. right, still copy it, still paste it, but realize you now need to fix it. So I'm going to correct the solution and then highlight the area, data, what if analysis, data table. The row is the age, so I'm going to point here. The column is the floor space, I'm going to point here. When I click OK, so you'll see it looks strange, all of them are the same, but this is because of what I've got set up in my calculation options. You'll see it's automatic except for data tables. I can either switch it to automatic, push the F9 key, or I can go calculate now, and you'll see it does its calculation.